April Fool's Day in Pyramid Point. In the little Jamaican district of Pyramid Point, Ocho Rios, nobody loved April Fool's Day more than Tafari and his best friend Kimone. "Ma have the biggest prank plan for this year," Tafari whispered to Kimone as they sat outside Miss Carmen's shop drinking bad juice. Kimone grinned, "Me too, but we'll have to be careful. Last year, Uncle Desmond put Scotch bonnet pepper in the bun and cheese and nearly get chased out the lane." The two friends laughed, already excited about what the day would bring. Tafari's first victim was his little sister Zuri. "Zuri, come quick!" he shouted, pretending to panic. "The goat in the yard just lay an egg!" Zuri's eyes got big. "Eh? Goat no lay egg? Me swear! Come look!" Zuri ran outside, but of course there was no egg, just their old brown goat, Dottyfoot, chewing lazily on some bush. "April Fools!" Tafari shouted, laughing. Zuri folded her arms and kissed her teeth. "Mega get you back," she warned before stomping back inside. Next, Kimone went to Miss Carmen's shop. She peeped inside and shouted, "Miss Carmen, the police them they outside!" Miss Carmen, who was busy stacking back juice and cheese sticks, nearly dropped a whole crate. "Eh? The police? What me do?" she cried, hurrying to the door. But when she saw nobody outside, Kimone burst out laughing. "April Fools, Miss Carmen!" Miss Carmen put her hands on her hips. "I hope you know me owe you, Kimone." Tafari and Kimone thought they were the best pranksters in Pyramid Point until a few friends and community members decided to get them back. Later that afternoon, Uncle Desmond, Miss Carmen, and even Zuri teamed up for the ultimate prank. Miss Carmen ran up to Tafari and Kimone, pretending to be out of breath. Pitney, wanna hear the news?" Tafari frowned. "What kind of news?" "The Prime Minister come visit Pyramid Point right now." "Eh? For true?" Kimone asked, eyes wide. "Yes, him said Pyramid Point have the cleanest goat pen in Jamaica, and him a come to give Uncle Desmond a medal," Miss Carmen said, barely holding in her laughter. Tafari and Kimone looked at each other, then took off running towards Uncle Desmond's yard, where they found him standing up serious in front of his old goat pen, dressed up in his Sunday best suit. "Me a wait pon the Prime Minister," Uncle Desmond said, adjusting his hat. "Him send him a speech figure too." Tafari and Kimone's mouths dropped open. "This big!" Tafari shouted. They straightened their shirts and stood beside Uncle Desmond, ready to see the Prime Minister. Minutes passed, then more minutes, nothing. Finally, Zuri and Miss Carmen burst out laughing. "April Fools!" Tafari and Kimone stared in shock before busting out in laughter too. "Wanna get wood good," Kimone admitted, wiping her eyes. Uncle Desmond chuckled. "Next year, you better prank with caution, 'cause you never know who are gonna flick the script." And with that, the group laughed and celebrated another unforgettable April Fool's Day among family and friends.